Woohoo! Ayun o. Nandito tayo kala Papa Andy. Meron tayo pa bike check. Siyempre, ano pa ba kundi ang Merida Big 9 300 2021 model. Ang frame niya is orange black, size medium 17, and then 29er siya, aluminum material. Tapered na rin yung head tube. Ang max wheel size for this frame is 2.35. The width of the axle is 135 by 9 mm. BSA bottom bracket na din siya. Okay, dito naman tayo sa fork niya. Santur XCR32 LOR. Air suspension na siya with 100 mm travel. May lockout din siya. 46 mm fork offset. And then max wheel size din is 2.25. Okay, dito naman tayo sa brake set. Ang brand is TEKTRO M275 dual piston hydraulic disc brake system using mineral oil, and then aluminum lever, cast aluminum bracket, and then 2 finger blade. And for the rotors, Shimano RT10. Sa front is 180 mm, and then sa likod is 160 mm. Both Centerlock tsaka stainless. Okay, dito naman tayo sa saddle. Merida stock na COM-CC, length is 282 mm, width 155 mm, and weight is 332 grams. Okay, dito naman sa seat post, stock pa rin, COM-CC, aluminum, 30.9 mm diameter niya, and 0 mm setback. Sa seat clamp, ito, stock din, comp QR. And for the real derailleur, DEORE M412 Shadow 2x10 and 2x11 pwede siya. Okay, sa cogs, DEORE M4100 Shadow 10 speed, 1142 teeth. Okay, dito naman tayo sa crankset 2x DEORE M4100. Chainring is 36 tsaka 26. Arm length is 175 mm. Next is the FD Shimano DEORE M6000 top swing E-type mount 2x10 speed. Okay, sa tires naman is Maxxis Icon 29 by 2.2 wired. Sa rims is Merida stock. Spokes is black stainless. Okay, sa cockpit naman, handlebar is the Merida Expert CC aluminum 720 mm width and 10 mm rise. Stem is Merida CC aluminum made, 31.8 diameter, 7 degree angle, and 80 mm length. And for the shifters, meron tayo ditong Shimano DEORE M5100 sa front, and sa rear is Shimano DEORE M4100. Sa grip is stock Merida Comp EC. And lastly, dito tayo sa hubs, Shimano TX505. Sa rear is 135 by 9 mm width, 32 spokes, Centerlock. And then sa front naman is 100 by 9 mm width. 32 spokes din. 32 spoke holes and center lock din. Yun!
2021
pala to. Ulit. Cut!